Hydraulic plywood hot press machine is one important machine for making plywood. It can be different pressure and layers with reasonably designed hydraulic system, anti-rust and alloyed casting cylinder, smooth and hard hot platant, machine heavy duty. Make sure pressing plywood balance and high efficiency. Our main products include wood log debarker, veneer peeling machine, vacuum veneer stacker, veneer dryer machine, plywood cold press machine, plywood hot press machine, glue spreader, glue mixing machine, automatic plywood veneer paving line, plywood cutting machine, lift table, sanding machine. Shandong Minghong Wood Machinery Company Limited.